Vivo took to Weibo to share the release date for Vivo S9 in China. The phone will debut on March 3rd, and as of now, there is no information on pricing or availability. Vivo S9 specifications expected. Last week, specifications for Vivo S9 were leaked, showing 8GB plus 128GB and 12GB plus 256GB storage variants. The phone could come with a triple rear camera setup and dual selfie cameras. Its predecessor, Vivo S7, also has dual selfie cameras, and Vivo S9 is expected to carry a similar design as Vivo S7. Vivo S9 could be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1100 SoC that was announced last month. The SoC will give the phone 5G connectivity. It is expected to feature a 6.4-inch display and a dual selfie camera setup that includes a 44-megapixel primary sensor with an ultra-wide-angle lens.